What's up, everybody? How are you all doing? I hope you're doing good. So in today's video, you're going to learn about what is web development, what is a website, and the languages that comprises of a website. I mean, the things that you use to build a website. These languages comes together and then makes up a website. So I'm just going to go to this Google search and then use this to explain what a website is. So from here, we have that a website is a set of related web pages located under a single domain name, typically produced by a single person or organization, right? So a website, they are pages that a single person can just create them and then bring them together, and then that makes up a website. So if we want to look at a perfect example for that, let's come to this BBC website. So as you can see from here, let me bump this up a little bit. So we have the home, we have the sport, we have the business, we have the innovation, we have the culture. Now, all of these they are pages on this website that you can click and navigate to and get to see the different things that are being shown on that website. Then I can also click back here on the home to go back to the main homepage of the website. So these are the individual pages that comes together to make up this website, which are created by a person. It could be a developer, a single developer, or an organization. So to just further add to that, we can come over to this other research as well, which is web development. So from here, we have that web development, also known as website development, refers to the tasks associated with creating, building, and maintaining website and web applications that run online on a browser. It may, however, also include web design, web programming, and database management. So what this is trying to tell us is that a website basically is associated with a single person or an organization creating, building, and also maintaining a website. So let's say a perfect example is Jumia, right? It was created, it was built by a developer, and it is currently being maintained by developers because there are lots of requests coming in. They are products that are maybe out of stock, so there is someone that needs to be on the other end maintaining and uploading things to this site. So that's basically what a website is, right? And then a website comprises of three languages. We have the HTML, we have the CSS, and the JavaScript. So HTML is more or less like the structure, then the CSS is more like the design, and then we have the JavaScript, which is like the engine. Just think of it like a motor, like your car, right? You have the tire, you have the door, right? You have the steering. Those are the structure of that car, and then bringing it together and then coloring it, right? You know, there's the pink color, there's hash color, there's gold. That is the CSS part of that car, and then the engine that makes it function. You match your brake and then it responds. That is the JavaScript of that website. And quickly, if I inspect on this, that is right clicking and then clicking on this inspect, right, you see some things that is going to be shown right here. So we have the Congress clear $95 billion aid package for Ukraine, Israel. That is not our concern, but our concern is this guy. Now if you look over here, you can see, let me bump this up a little bit. So you can see H2, this is more like the heading tag, right? So it's saying, okay, how soon could, okay, so let me highlight this. If I click on this guy and then click on Congress, now you will see the result over here. Now this text is being wrapped inside a H2, and this H2 is the structure of this site. Now if I click on this other guy, let's just see, that is a P tag, which is presidential. President Biden is expected to sign the package, right? So this is there are different components that makes up a website. We have the heading, we have the images, we have the paragraph tags, we have the social icons, we have the widgets on the website. And then if you look closely, right, clicking on this guy brings up something like this. You can see all of this font, like we have the P2, we have the line height, we have things like this. They all comprise to make this website. And this is the CSS. This is how this thing are being defined. You see, if I click this, if I toggle on this, okay, 24 pixel is out, right? So it's a bit bigger. You can see something like that. And then there are some things happening. So let's just see. We have the padding, we have this guy. If I click on this, it's like it's shrinking in. You can see what's happening. So this is the CSS part of the site. Okay, let's say, for example, let's say I want to make a change here for you to see. Where is that place? Just a moment. Let me see. Let's see where we had the padding. Okay, we have the font size, we have the height. All right, so if I toggle on this again and do this, okay, we have the font weight, we have the transform. All right, so basically these things that is happening here. Let's say if I do okay, if I do something right here, and then let's say we get to put margin here. We say maybe margin top. We say let's give this 40 pixel. You can see what is okay. You can see the space. Then I can edit this to 100. Then you can see it's pushing the content down. So this is basically a developer toolbox that you can get to play around and have all of your code to function effectively. So that's just it for the introduction to what is a website and web development. I hope you enjoyed this. So thank you. Peace out.